In this guide, I'm going to outline 3 potential solutions for Google Chrome if it repeatedly crashes upon launch. One of these methods should definitely help you resolve your issue, so please watch until the end. First, you need to run the Chrome as an administrator. Search for Chrome application on your device, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Give administrative privileges if you're not the admin of this computer. And another thing you can do is you can go ahead and right-click on the Google Chrome application, select Open File Location. Here again, right-click on the Google Chrome and select Properties. Then after, go to the Compatibility tab, and here select Run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. Also check the box of Run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply and then click on OK. Now Chrome will automatically launch with administrator privileges, which might resolve the crashing problem. You can also try disabling or removing the extensions. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of your Chrome browser, then select Extensions and select Manage Extensions. Here you can turn off the toggle beside the extensions to disable it. After disabling them, close Chrome and reopen it to see if the issue is resolved. You can easily uncheck all extensions to disable them. And if the previous solutions haven't worked, you can open the Chrome, click on the 3 dots, then select Settings, scroll down and select the Reset Settings option in the left-hand side of the screen. Here, select Restore Settings to their original default. This action will reset Chrome setting, disable all extensions, and clear cookies and other temporary data. Don't worry, your bookmarks, browsing history, and the saved passwords will remain untouched. Click on Reset and then close and reopen Chrome, and this should definitely help you resolve the crashing problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.